Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the grown-up mode in Crackle. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top right. Right here, you can see a button like this called as My Account. Simply hover over it, and guys, as you guys can see, this thing will open up. From here, simply go to Settings. Click on it. And this is it, guys. From here, this is the settings page. You can view the accounts, legal settings, parental controls, and right here in the parental control settings, you can see something called as grown up mode. Simply toggle on the button, and all you guys have to do is simply enter the pin in case there is any pin. I'm gonna do it right now and simply submit it. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, the grown up mode has been enabled on Crackle. Well, that sums it up, guys. That's how you enable the grown up mode. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.